United Goans Foundation has rejected Aam Aadmi Party contention that their convener Elvis Gomes was given a clean chit by the High Court in the Housing Board scam. UGF will file a protest petition in court to object to the A summary filed by Investigating Officer Francisco Corte PI, ACB Vigilance.
Elvis Gomes was cleared by High Court in the Housing Board scam. Now UGF says that BJP has used Vigilance Department as tool for political gains in the favor of Elvis Gomes. UGF alleged that it was a major scam as paddy field situated in Margao was initially taken up for acquisition and then it was converted to settlement. Later the acquisition was dropped. Watch the arguments.
जर त्या केसीन कांयच बेसीस ना जाल्यार पुलिसांनी समरी बी फायल करपाक जाय आशिल्ली सांगपाक की आमची जी कंप्लेन आसा ती फ्रिवलस म्हणून कांयच आधार नासतना कंप्लेन फायल केल्या म्हणून तें कित्याक केलें ना तें म्हाकाय कळना अजून कित्याक आयच्या दिसा जेन्ना केस ती आयली म्हणल्यार खरें नोटीस फक्त म्हाकाच प्रेसिडेंट आनी कंप्लेनंट म्हणून आयिल्ली पण एक एडवोकेट सुद्दां आशिल्लो थंय इंटरव्यून जावपाक जो खरें ज्या पुलिसांनी खरें ज्या मनशा खातीर एक रिपोर्ट तयार केल्लो ताजोच एडवोकेट आशिल्लो म्हाका आय डोंट थिंक एनी वन वूड हॅव come across this word iota, no iota of evidence. If at all Director of Prosecution didn't find an iota of evidence, why did the prosecution file summary A? What is the understanding that the Director of Prosecution is having with the alleged accused? Whatever dates I have mentioned of the sale deeds, the dropping of the name of the tenant will make it amply clear की हातून full-fledged घोटाळो आशिल्लो पण फक्त आमची ACB पट्टी बांदून आसा. I just want to tell the AAP, please do not clear yourself till the time we have finished, the UGF has finished arguments in your case. You all might have had kind of an understanding with the government, which is very clear. But at the point in time when the law comes calling, we will be arguing our case in a much more intense manner than what we have done today. Zago asa Marcus Xavier'acho, connection Vijay Sardesai. Government BJP, Elvis Gomes AAP candidate. If जर गोंयकारांक जर हे कनेक्शन जर दिसना जाल्यार आमकां हाजे फुडें कांयच सांगपाना. आमी ज्या दिसा केस जेन्ना सॉल्व जाता म्हणल्यार जे कंप्लेंटाच्या आदाराचेर आमी जेन्ना ह्या सगळे लोकांक नेल करतले त्या दिसा आमी परत येतले.
Our reporter Ramesh Naik Raut from Margao.